guys, today we have a car cleaning kit. I'm going to go ahead and show you what's included. I have all the items right here and I'm going to show you each one of them. You're going to be included 2 detail brushes, a rim brush, a dust brush, some gloves. This is the fleece and this is the coral glove. This is to really, go into your car and wash it, take everything off, and then this one you can detail a little bit more. And it comes with a couple of microfiber towels. This is definitely for detailing. This is to dry your car. And for the interior, man, this one, will do miracles. It is a very complete kit. You can definitely have your car, shiny and looking good in no time. It does come with a bag that you can put everything inside. Let's see if everything fits there. And they'll fit inside the bag. Now let's go ahead and try it. Let's go ahead and wash your car. Kit is magnificent. I definitely want to thank you guys for watching and see